This button gives you a detailed, accurate breakdown of how you actually spent your time down to the minute with one click. This is Time Breakdown. When you click it, you choose the exact time range you want analyzed. You can generate a breakdown for today, yesterday, the past 24 hours, the last several days, or even the last entire week. For each option, Pieces shows how many memories were created during that time, so you know exactly how much real activity is being analyzed. Once you select your range, click Generate Time Breakdown. Pieces uses long-term memory from your real work to create a structured report of where your time actually went. At the top, you'll see a high-level summary. For multi-day selections, you'll see daily totals first, so you can immediately understand how much time was spent on each day. Then you can drill into each day individually. Within each day, you'll see time grouped by projects, time categorized as project work or admin, clear time totals, and detailed activity timelines with timestamps. Every block of time is tied to real activity, showing what you worked on and when down to the minute and second. This makes it easy to see where your week actually went, compare productivity across days, and confidently communicate your time to teammates, managers, and clients. Download Pieces for free at pieces.app and start using personalized single-click summaries today.